Hey freaks, ready to see today's outfit? Oh, cute! It's like I'm a little leprechaun. I don't have that sweater anymore, so I'll have to do the best I can. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I couldn't find my earrings that are basically the size and color of this gem here, so I used silver instead, which is totally not as good because you gotta have the gold at the end of the rainbow. Plus, if I show you the whole look, we have the gold hardware on the shoes, so that needs to tie in somewhere. I do kind of like this top better than the original sweater, just because of the lines that like come out of the neckline. However, this green unfortunately clashes much worse with the pants, so I think I'm gonna give it to Jaime because I don't think I can improve this. I already love it so much. Well done, Jaime. Let me know in the comments if you would wear this, where you would wear this, and I think I need to do more green with rainbow because like I'm so happy right now. Thanks for watching.